set of salt and pepper shakers. They're metal of some kind. I honestly don't know. Like I said, they're in real good shape. They kind of got a gold color to them. But as you can see, it's either wore out or it's tarnished. The reason I'm saying that, it might actually be silver. I can get one of these off. Now, I don't know if you can see down inside there, but it actually does look like it might be actual silver. I honestly don't know what it's made out of. But like I said, when you look inside the head of both of them, it almost looks like actual silver. Now, like I said, there's some kind of metal casting, and they are in real good shape. Can't get this top on, though, but kind of hard to do with one hand playing with the camera. But, oh, come on. There we go. And as you can see, they're in real good shape. Now, I don't know if this is paint or if it's tarnished from silver. Tell you the truth, I honestly don't know. Here's what this one looks like. And like I said, when you rub it, it actually even smells on your fingers like silver of some kind. So I honestly don't know. I do not know what these are made out of. Thank you.